After your last iOS update, if you are not receiving any notifications from your WhatsApp application, follow this easy and step-by-step guide to fix this issue. The first solution is make sure to disable silent mode and make sure to disable do not disturb mode, and then check the issue. The second solution is go to your iPhone settings and tap on notifications and scroll down and search for WhatsApp. Tap on it and make sure to enable allow notifications. Also enable sounds and badges, and then tap on WhatsApp notification settings, and here make sure to enable all of these options and then check the issue. The next solution is go to your iPhone settings, tap on sounds and haptics, tap on text tone, and now you can select a different text tone from this list and then check the issue. And the last and final solution is uninstall your WhatsApp app and reinstall it from App Store. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.